Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new, hit that subscribe button wherever it is. If you are not new, welcome back. I am Sherrea Stevenson with Sherrea Success, also known as Success is in Your Hands, meaning that, ladies, success lives deep down on the inside of you. You were born and created to succeed. I am an empowerment coach. I empower women to create success in their lives, whether that be in a career, whether that be in a business, whatever it is that you're looking to create success in your life. It is my goal and my desire to empower you. I have a course called Map to Creating Your Success, and I help women of color and other women create success in their lives. I empower them to step out in faith, and what that means to me is stepping out in real faith. We as Christian women, some of us say that we have faith, but we don't always step out in faith, believing that God is on the other end of those steps. So my dream and my goal is to see you go from faith, success to success, faith to success to success, and see that big smile on your face. You see, I am a woman of color. I stepped out in faith many years ago without a college degree, thinking that I needed one, realizing that God had already put a gift deep down on the inside of me. And I hit the corporate ladder and I shot all the way up to where I started making six figures, and I started encouraging and helping and empowering other women to do the same thing. So I realized through the power that's already inside of me that God allowed me to see through others, I knew that I had a gift to empower women like you, because you're on this channel, you're looking for something. So check the description box, hit the like channel for more videos to come, and watch them. Be empowered, be inspired. Follow me on my Instagram page, follow me on my Facebook page. I am your inspiration for today and the day that you may be watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and follow me. I'm looking forward to empowering you. Have a wonderful day and welcome to my channel.